Welcome to Pretty Little Clothes. I'm Virginie and today I'm going to show you how to do an acrylic ombre fade using 4 acrylic powders. We're going to apply a coat of Nail Prep Dehydrator and 1 coat of acid-free primer for this extension acrylic nail. So I'm going to use a crystal clear powder in a thin layer to structure the nail and do the extension as well. I'm adding a clear bead on the natural nail because I'm going to use acrylic colored pigment and I don't want them to color the natural nail. So that's why I'm using the clear. So to make this ombre effect, I'm going to use Sugarplum Sparkle, Poison Plum, Passion Fruit and Cotton Candy. For this first bead I'm going to use Sugarplum Sparkle and I'm going to place it near the cuticle area. And fade the color down. I'm gonna use now the Poison Plum color to make a fade effect, like an ombre effect. So now you can add a little bit more of a Sugarplum Sparkle to make it darker a little bit. So now I'm going to take the passion fruit and do the third part of the nail. And now I'm going to use the last color, which is called Cotton Candy, and I'm going to place it on the just on the point on the stiletto and fade the color. So now we're going to encapsulate it with clear powder, the entire nail, and give the structure to this nail. Now I'm going to apply my first bead near the cuticle area and pull the product down. And now I'm going to create my apex with the clear acrylic. So now we're going to let it set a little bit. So now we're going to remove the free form and we are ready to do the filing routine. So I'm going to do the side wall first. When you do your filing routine, always use 180 grit file. Be careful with your stiletto point. And now we're going to file around the cuticle area. Try to use all the length of the file, not like that, but like that, and round, roll it. And now you can file the rest of the nail, the body, all the body of the nail. Make sure when you do your filing routine, make sure to hold the nail, because you can damage the nail bed of your clients. So make sure to really hold it very well. So now, after your filing is done, take a white block to buff the nail. So now we're gonna smooth it out with Pure Acetone, and make sure when you do acrylic, you can use Pure Acetone to smooth the surface, but be careful if you use tips and acrylic on it. Make sure the Pure Acetone doesn't touch the tips, because it will melt. Now I'm going to apply the Urban Graffiti top coat. And cure for 30 seconds. So now I'm gonna apply some cuticle oil and massage the finger. This is the finished design. I hope you like it. All the product used will be listed below. Until next time, au revoir!